The health minister of all people in the United Kingdom has the coronavirus, and on top of that she's had a lot of contact with parliamentarians and other ministers in cabinet and so on.
The minister in charge of public safety has developed symptoms of the coronavirus. She was tested yesterday and it came back positive, and when it did, she made sure, as is the advice, to contact Public Health England so they could begin contact tracing. A very busy person who meets a lot of people, and including the Prime Minister on International Women's Day. The government is refusing to say whether Mr. Johnson, the Prime Minister, has been tested.
The entire country is now in a lockdown. It's the most severe restriction on movement in Italy since World War II.
Restaurants and bars close early in Rome as Italians try to get used to a sweeping government lockdown as part of measures to stop the spread of the new coronavirus. Infections in Italy have topped the 10,000 mark, more than anywhere else but China.
The Prime Minister here has described the situation, quoting Winston Churchill, as Italy's darkest hour. If anyone wants to see what a worst-case scenario looks like, look no further than Italy. In essence, a quarantine of the entire country of 60 million people until next month. Here's what life under lockdown means. Travel across Italy severely restricted. All public gatherings of any kind strictly forbidden. Employees should work from home or prove to police why they're not. Restaurants and shops will shut their doors after dusk.
Italy has also found itself increasingly sealed off as other countries have sought to keep infections contained. Neighbours Austria barred travellers from crossing the border without a medical certificate. Slovenia has closed its border with Italy, and Albania has banned Italy air and ferry traffic. Numerous airlines have either suspended or temporarily stopped flights to and from Italy, while Britain, Ireland, Hong Kong and Germany have strengthened travel advisories urging their citizens to leave.
The extension of the shutdown of schools and universities across the country. Violators risk up to 3 months in jail or fines of $225.